Why don't programmers like nature? It has too many bugs. Welcome to our entertaining journey through the quirky world of programming languages. First up, we have the granddaddy of them all, C. If programming languages were cars, C would be that vintage model you inherited from your great-grandfather. It's a bit rusty, lacks some modern amenities like automatic transmission, or in programming terms, garbage collection, but it still runs like a charm. It's like the grumpy old man who refuses to retire, insisting, "I've still got it." Moving on, we encounter Java. Java, the dependable workhorse of the programming world. It's the minivan of programming languages. Not particularly exciting, but reliable and versatile. If C is the grumpy old man, Java is the middle-aged office worker who always has a cup of coffee in hand, ready to get the job done, no matter how mundane. Next stop, Python. Our friendly neighborhood Python is the hipster of programming languages. It's all about simplicity and readability. Python is that friend who always keeps things chill and laid back. It's like, hey, why stress about semicolons and curly braces when you can just not? Up next is JavaScript. The wild child of the programming world, JavaScript is anything but predictable. It's like the teenager who's still figuring out who they are. One day it's scripting language, the next it's object-oriented. It's the rebellious youngster who's always up to something new, keeping you on your toes. And finally, we have the new kid on the block, Swift. Swift is the precocious child prodigy of programming languages. Swift is the overachiever who's always eager to impress with its speed and efficiency. While the others are arguing about who's the best, Swift is like, "Hold my apple juice, I got this!" Now, let's wrap this up. If we were to summarize each language with a funny one-liner, it would look something like this. C says, "I may be old, but I still run the world." Java responds, "I'm not exciting, but I'm the one who gets the job done." Python shrugs and says, "Why complicate things? Let's just keep it simple." JavaScript argues, "Who wants to be predictable? Not me." And Swift simply smiles and says, "Watch me outshine them all." And there you have it, folks. The delightful world of programming languages, full of quirks and idiosyncrasies, much like the programmers who use them. Remember, in the end, it's all about finding the right tool for the job, or in this case, the right language for the code. Happy coding!